This is Jesus Ramos, and I guess this is my app. As you can see here, this is the front page. It's got the little welcome message right here. It would print your name and your profile picture if you were on here. Uh, I didn't get to finish this, but the idea here was to print out, like, look at the ratings of each person and print out the top 5 films and top 5 TV shows. I didn't get a chance to implement that though, but it would have been no big deal, but ran out of time. This is the my ratings page for specifically like your ratings, like the ratings that you have made. As you can see that I've done some ratings so far. Testing it out. Here's the time. The times when I use the app, or when I created a rating are on here. My rating, the name of the show, it's all on here. And create another rating right here. This is the create a rating page. I can just type in something here. Just type in N. A lot of these. This is just some anime database that I had that I used for this project because it was easier than having to type in a bunch of TV shows. So that's the only thing that shows up for the hints. But yeah, like it gives you hints, and you can type in comments. Give this an 8. Submit it. Takes you back to the ratings page when you submit. As you can see right here, I guess that's a problem with this that I didn't consider. Normally the latest one would pop up at the top, but since I haven't made a differentiation between AM and PM, it's 5:49 right now, so it thinks they put it at the bottom. But yeah, like normally the idea was that the latest would go up at the top and the oldest were at the bottom. And here's my edit page. Here, the idea of this page that all the ratings you have made show up here, and you would type in the TV show you want to edit. Like for example, K. Right now it's a 6. Let's change it to a 9. And I didn't print out the comments. I probably should have done that, but I didn't on this particular page. You hit submit. And takes you back to this page, and as you can see, K is now a 9, and it changed the time as well to 5:50. So here's the friends rating page. Here it prints all the ratings of everyone else who uses this app besides yourself, the ratings that they have put into the app, and here it actually prints out the last 10 that they've made. As you can see, I actually cleared out the database, so there's not that many here, but there's a couple of other people who have been using my app here. And the idea with this one was that I wanted to implement this where it would give you, as you can see, it doesn't, like, it gives you weird, like, yeah, I didn't get to do that correctly, but the idea was that it would give you suggestions of your friends that are using the app right now, but I had weird authorization issues and I didn't get to implement that, so. And finally, here's the invite page. There's nothing much special other than it just, pops up the little invite window. You just invite people, send, done. You're gonna invite multiple people, and there you go. And that's everything I've done with my app. And here are my tables that I use for the app. I use 2 tables. I use the one called RDB, which contains all the ratings that people have made, and then I have a TV and movie database that has all of the movies and TV shows that's a database that's accessed when you're searching for a show, like the hints. That's where it gets all that information from. Just give it a second. Loading. Taking a while. There you go. So you can see here, this is the ratings database. Here I have the IDs. It's actually the Facebook IDs that I use to identify each user, their names. As you can see, most of them are mine. This is another person's. It has the show name here, the ratings, the comments people have made, the date and the time. That's what the ratings database consists of. And for the TV and movie database, it'll take a while to load, but as far as I can remember, I think I only used 2 columns. Yeah, it's just the show name and the type. And I wanted the type because I eventually wanted to differentiate between the two in the app, but again, I ran out of time and I wasn't able to implement that, so there you go. That's my app.